Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to make a landing page using PageFly app. So let's say we want to make this similar page. We have the option to create it from template, but we will use the blank page option. So let's have a blank section and we can duplicate it for future use. So let's have the heading element. Let's copy this text. Paste it here. Let's change the font and its size. So let's have the paragraph element below the heading element. Let's copy this text and paste it here. Change its fonts and let's change the font and its size. Let's adjust the spacing. So let's finalize the background color. We check the color from the color picker. Let's change the background color. So the content, let's make it's white. So the content is now not clear. Let's make it white. So now we want to make this section. So now we want to make something similar on our page. So let's copy the content list section. So let's copy this text. Paste it here. Copy this. Paste it here. Similarly this. So let's change the font and size. Let's change the font of subheadings. Adjust its size. I think the size is okay. Okay. So let's centralize it. Similarly, let's change the background color of this section. We will copy the same and paste it here. So let's copy the background color of this section. Okay, our text is black, so we need to make it white. Similarly, the subheadings. Okay, now we need to remove these borders, as in our reference page they are not there. So we have removed. As you can see that we are nearly close to this. So now we need to make this button. Let's go to the element section, take a button from here, drag it here. So let's copy the button similar to reference. First we change the background color of the button. Let's paste it. Next is we need to change its text. We can further adjust the spacing as per our requirement. We can increase the padding if we require. Make the font little bigger. Okay, so next is we need to copy this image to our page. So let's download it. So now we take the image element, as we need to copy the image from the reference page. So let's copy it here. Okay, so now we want to take the image element like reference. So let's take it from here. Paste it here. So let's upload the image. So it's same like reference. So we have copied the page up to here. So now we will copy this section. Let's take the element paragraph. Let's change the font and color. Let's increase the font size. So next part is to copy this logo list. So take the layout from here. Paste it here. We have more than 3 logos, so we will duplicate it. So here we will add the element image. So let's copy one of the logo. Let's upload the logo. So let's download all these logos so that we can use them in the page. Okay, so now we want to copy this logo list in our page. So let's add the layout. As we have 6 logos, so we will duplicate this so that we can make further spacing. And we will add the image element in all these blocks. So now we have added all the image elements in these blocks. So we will upload logo one by one. So let's say we have added this logo list. And we need to centralize the content. We will click it here. So we can add further logos as well. So now as you can see that up to here we have built the first section completely. We click save. Okay, so now we will build this section that says that why waste money on themes when PageFly can do it all. Because we can have a lot of customization freedom using PageFly app. And this is not available in free Shopify themes. It is available in premium themes, but they are costly. So this is a cost-effective solution for small businesses. So now we want to build this second section. So we will copy the similar layout in our page. Let's say we have already have the section here, and first we will have this heading: why waste money on themes when PageFly can do it all. So let's take the element of heading, put it here, and next let's take the element of paragraph, put it below the heading. So let's copy this text. Let's change the font and its size, make it center. So next let's copy this, let's change the font, let's centralize it. Okay, let's remove this unnecessary spacing. So next we need to have these two blocks. So we will take the layout and paste it here. So at the top we will have heading, then paragraph, and then image. So let's take the element heading. And let's take the element paragraph. Let's take the element image like our reference. So we'll copy this thing for the second block as well. Let's take the heading. Let's take the paragraph element. Let's take the image element. So let's copy these, change its font, make it little bigger, copy this text, paste it here. Similarly, take this text, paste it here. Similarly, take this text, paste it here. Now we need to copy these images. So as you can see, this image is spreaded, so we will contain it in the box. Similarly for this image. So we are also building this section similar to our reference page. So this is how you can build a landing page in PageFly. You can build it from scratch as well, from templates and from section templates. So whichever suits you. Thank you for watching.